So please, don't think you're stuck at home because you've fallen. You've got a chair just like this. It's wonderful. My name is Morag Cordegard. I moved here to St. Albert to be closer to my daughter, and I have 4 children, and I actually have 3.5 great-grandchildren. So that tells you that I'm no longer young. Well, I've fallen a few times, which made walking extremely difficult. And in fact, my last fall, I couldn't walk at all. It meant I couldn't use my walker, I couldn't get out in the car. I was really stuck at home. And that's why I'm sitting in this wonderful chair. I've had this travel buggy now for about 6 months. And this chair allows me to go out in the car if I want to. I can go out for dinner. I can go and play cards. I can go visit other people. I can do everything I normally would do if I could walk. It's very, very easy to operate. It goes around corners very smoothly. There's no jerking. Yeah, I particularly like this little travel buggy because it goes everywhere and doesn't take up an awful lot of room. And I can go in and out of the elevator. I can go on any floor I want to. I can take part in all the social activities. And it's instead of me being at home all the time, I can do everything I normally could do. So please, don't think you're stuck at home because you've fallen. You've got a chair just like this. It's wonderful.